Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll answer the question, does the Logitech MX Master 4 have USB-C charging? So, yes, the MX Master 4 actually charges via the USB-C, and it's ditching the old micro USB port from earlier models like 2S. So the 3S already had USB-C, but this time we have faster charging. So we have a more convenient connection, and you can just carry one cable less if you're already using USB-C devices. And the best part about it is just one full charge gives you up to 70 days of use. So even with heavy daily use, you will need to plug this in very often. So yes, it does come with the USB-C, and once you switch, you won't miss micro USB one bit. So actually I have the cable right here. Now we can just go over and plug it into the USB-C port. So let's do that. And now, as you guys can see, our mouse is charging. We felt the vibration, and one full charge is approximately 2 hours. So you charge the mouse for 2 hours, you use it with a cable or just leave it alone, or charge it when you go to sleep, and you will have 70 days of use on a full charge. So this is actually amazing. And that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful. If it helped, then drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.